Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see the speed control of a PMSM drive using field oriented control, commonly called FOC. PMSM stands for Permanent Magnet Synchronous Motor. In this control method, the rotor angle is measured in mechanical form and converted into electrical angle using the number of poles. From this signal, the motor speed is obtained and compared with the reference speed. The speed error is processed through a PI controller, which generates the Q axis current reference IQ. In this method, the D-axis current reference ID is maintained at 0. Using ID and IQ, the reference currents are generated through DQ to ABC transformation. For this conversion, the electrical angle omega t is required, which is derived from the rotor position. These reference three-phase currents are then compared with the actual stator currents of the PMSM. The current error is fed into a hysteresis band current controller, which produces switching pulses for the three-phase voltage source inverter. These pulses control the inverter and finally regulate the motor speed. In the MATLAB implementation, a DC source, universal bridge inverter, and PMSM are used. The model measures stator currents, rotor speed, electromagnetic torque, and rotor angle. Here, the reference speed is initially set to 100 rads and changed to 125 rads at 0.05 seconds. The load torque is initially 6 Newton and later reduced to 3 Newtons. The results show that the motor speed tracks the reference quickly with a short settling time. During speed change, the inverter voltage, stator current, and electromagnetic torque vary accordingly, then settle to steady state values, confirming effective PMSM speed control using FOC. This demonstrates smooth response and reliable closed loop motor operation.